Every day I switch lanes. I know this face, it's not hard. Going up to space, you wanna make to another place, be a superstar. Do whatever it takes, never go too far. Do whatever so you can make it to the top. You know who you wanna be and who you are, so check it out. No rap flows going to the shit where you wanna catch the disaster and flip it to happiness. It's never gonna happen when you see me, I'm gonna be collapsing in deeper to the hell pit. See how life is when you explain it. This is how I am, no entertainment, I am just a friend. Yeah, never again, never no trust in these hoes where they never give a fuck. This is not me, I'm not gonna abduct. How you wanna do this shit with no trust? Going in, you must be my friend. True to us, motherfucker, I'm gonna be the best. I am just as Ben, fuck the rest, so give it up. Who giving me a mind test? I'm gonna do this shit, it's mine yet, not mine yet, but I bet I can do this. I'm gonna keep on climbing up to the mountain. Do these bitches stop making me bouncing my mind away to another day? Never thought my face would put a smile on it. Check it. Yeah. You know how it is. Living in the ghetto. Do that struggle, even without a doubt. Yeah, thought I was sleeping till I woke up and I saw my daddy leaving. I couldn't believe it, I was just a baby. I never thought my days would be so crazy, but I woke up with an okay face on me. I see these other people with their hate, and I gotta say to the fake bros and homies, yeah, hey, I got nothing to do. Live my life trapping with my bro Pedro. Yeah, you know what it is, we living life, we lay low, smoke off bongs, fuck the pipes, we writing songs, doing what's right and wrong. My mind is gone, I lost this fight when dusk hit dawn. I lost that shine when my words went raw. I'm never earned to be lost, but these bitches throw me off into the dark with sharp rocks like I deserved it all. My nerves had stopped when I fell off that curve. When I made it to the top, I was smelling the scent of her till she was with somebody else. I found it true, I was just looking in the wrong book. False, made this shook, fuck with the planned hook. I'll spit to the shit, man, I'm that good.